Make a graveside bouquet for just a few pounds. You no longer need to spend a fortune at a florist. Start by taking a bowl where you'll create the arrangement. Pour some cement into it, adjusting the amount based on the size of the bowl. Then, add water according to the proportions found on the cement packaging. Mix thoroughly until smooth. Next, take floral foam and cut it into smaller pieces, ideally 2 or 3. Submerge them in the bowl with cement and let them set for 12 hours. After this time, the base for your arrangement is ready. Branches from your garden work best for this bouquet. Cut them into smaller pieces and cover the cement with them. A carefully made base with greenery will make the bouquet look like it's from a florist. Make sure the foam is completely hidden under the greenery. Insert the next layers of branches, pointing them upwards. This will also thicken the arrangement. The great thing is, these branches are completely free. For extra strength, tie the branches together with wire. Then, add flowers to the bouquet. The color scheme and type of flowers are up to you. These flowers will last for years. Just wash them after the season, and they'll be perfect for next year. Once the flowers are in place, it's a good idea to thicken the bouquet with additional leaves. Use small branches to fill any gaps in the arrangement. You can also use flowers you already have at home. A few small branches can transform the whole look of the bouquet. Now your bouquet is ready. Place it on your loved one's grave. As you can see, it's very easy to make, and you'll save a lot of money. Most people make this mistake. This is only taught in floral courses, but today I'll share this trick with you. Usually you use floral foam for flower arrangements. A soaked foam provides a stable base for arrangements and gives live plants long access to water. Let me show you how to soak it properly. Prepare 2 buckets with the same amount of water. Place the same type of floral foam in each bucket. Hold one foam under the water while allowing the other to submerge itself. Then, take the foams out of the water. After removing them, cut them in half with a knife. Forcing the foam into the water creates air pockets that prevent it from soaking fully. As a result, flowers placed in such foam will wilt prematurely. The only correct method is to lay the floral foam on the water and wait for it to slowly soak and sink. The foam will float at first, but after a moment, it will almost completely submerge, changing color to dark green. Never place flowers in a vase this way again. Do you love flowers but hate it when they spread out unattractively in the vase? There's a proven method to achieve a surprising result quickly. All you need is some tape and a little patience. First, trim the flowers to the desired length that fits your bouquet. Take the vase where you want your floral arrangement. The first step is to fill the vase with water. Remember, the tape must be dry. Attach the tape across the top of the vase, marking the diameter, ensuring it is centered. Leave at least a 1 centimeter end at the edges. Then, place strips of tape along the sides, leaving a 1 centimeter gap between them to create a grid of small square openings. Once the grid is ready, place the flowers into the openings. This way, they will be arranged symmetrically, and there won't be any empty spots in the composition. Finally, you can enjoy the stunning result. The flower arrangement will stay in place and look beautiful. This potato will make your flowers grow like crazy. Check out this simple way to make a homemade fertilizer that will have your plants blooming like never before. You'll make it using ingredients you already have at home. First, grab a potato and cut it in half. Then, peel each half. Next, grate the potato halves. Once grated, place the potatoes into a blender. Add 5 cloves and a liter of water. Blend everything thoroughly until you get a smooth mixture. Then, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to remove any solid pieces. Pour the liquid into a bottle with a spout to make watering easier. Now, just water the soil around your flowers with this natural fertilizer. Regular use of this elixir will provide your plants with all the essential nutrients they need. You'll soon see them growing and blooming faster than ever. A gardener taught me how to make an eco-friendly fertilizer. When your plants are weakening and you've tried everything, give them this mixture. In the middle of summer, they will bloom beautifully again. You don't need to buy expensive products from the store. To prepare a natural fertilizer for your flowers, get a blender and put banana peels into it. Add coffee grounds and 6 eggshells. Then add a bit of water, close the blender, and blend everything into a smooth mixture. It looks like this. Apply it under the flowers, lifting the leaves to spread the fertilizer closer to the roots. Banana peels are rich in potassium, which supports blooming and strengthens roots. Coffee grounds contain nitrogen, which stimulates leaf development and healthy greenery. Eggshells provide the plants with phosphorus and calcium, which are essential for growth and strong stems. This mixture improves growth, supports blooming, and strengthens the plants. You can alternate it with the fertilizers we recommend in our other videos. This is a genius way to save your plants. Take a skewer stick and make a small hole in the cap of a small empty bottle. Insert a cotton swab into the bottle just like I did. One end of the swab should stick out. Take some tape and cut a piece of it. Use the tape to attach the skewer stick to the bottle with the sharp end facing up. Make sure the stick extends well above the bottle, so a longer stick is needed. For better results, wrap the tape around the bottle to keep the stick in place. Now, turn the bottle upside down. Water will start to drip from the stick, indicating that the drip system is working perfectly. To use it, insert the stick into the soil near the plant. You won't need to worry about daily watering anymore. Your plants will always be well watered. This is a genius way to save your plants. Even a single tablet can save any houseplant. Many people are unaware of how important supplements are for plants. You can find vitamins and minerals right in your home medicine cabinet. With their help, the results of your gardening efforts will be amazing. All it takes is a little time to learn how to use them for your plants. Asparagine contains magnesium and potassium. A deficiency in these elements can cause yellowing of the leaves. Plants become weak and fail to bloom. With potassium and magnesium tablets, your plants will revive and grow more lush. Simply make a small hole in the soil, insert the tablet, cover it up, and water the plant. Use this method every 2 to 3 weeks, and you'll see a difference. Glycine is an amino acid that's a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Glycine enhances the absorption of nutrients through the roots and increases chlorophyll concentration. As a result, plant leaves and flower buds grow much better. Just dissolve 1 tablet in a liter of water and water your plants with it. Aspirin strengthens plants against diseases and accelerates their growth. Salicylic acid, found in aspirin, naturally occurs in plants and boosts their immune systems, protecting them from pests. Once every 2 months, dissolve 1 tablet in 50 milliliters of water. Use it as a spray or watering solution. Calcium is a component of cell walls, influencing their permeability, activating enzymes, neutralizing organic acids, and supporting root growth and development. It also aids in nitrogen absorption and enhances resistance to pests. Crush a tablet and dissolve it in 500 milliliters of water. Water your plants with it once every 3 weeks.